Speaking of deliveries, Amazon has denied stories of workers peeing in bottles, but apparently people disagree as evidence is mounting
Yeah.
that delivery people are peeing in the bottles. And let me just say something here before you even get into the article.
Mm.
Where are they supposed to pee?
Toilet? What do you mean?
But where? You're driving around delivering. You're in the truck. You're on a deadline. You got this. Where are you supposed to pee? Are you supposed to go like even nowadays?
Yeah, they don't really have a toilet in the back.
There's no toilet in the back, and there's no designated place that's going to be happy to have you. There's so many delivery drivers, whether it's the food delivery, the package delivery.
Can they go into restaurants?
Can they? I don't know. How is
Do
the
a pit
restaurant?
stop?
No, I see all the restaurants have the bathrooms closed off right now.
What about maybe a gas station?
Maybe a gas station. I don't know. It's a sincere
Yeah.
question. I'm asking anybody who drives for delivery service, Amazon, where exactly are you peeing? Obviously, you would hope that the person will find a place. I don't know. Maybe some people end up on the side of the road.
Yeah, just squatting.
I don't know, man.
That is interesting. This
Well,
is
no, I
such a
mean, I
fundamental.
usually just pee standing up.
I mean, for like a woman driver, a
Oh, okay.
female.
Okay. I thought you were talking about a different activity.
No, man.
No, I don't know what you're
A
talking about,
female
man.
driver.
Okay,
Just squatting.
That's tougher. That's a tougher sale.
Sure.
But anyway, so the way this thing came up is people started post these stories. I guess they undercover reports, and this guy on Twitter, James Bloodworth, said, "I was the person who found the pee in the bottle. Trust me, it happened." Because Amazon News came out and said, "No, it didn't happen." And then there's more people that concur. No, this is definitely happening. And then the one for me, you go down to this tweet from Ken Bensinger. You guys scroll down a little further for that one. And this apparently was posted on the wall of a company that was a contractor for Amazon called Sync Truck. And this was their California facility. And they have highlighted here one of the notes that was at the place. And you can see the headline here to the delivery drivers. You are responsible in cleaning out your van at the end of your route. This includes garbage bags and urine bottles.
Mm.
Like that seemed like a weird thing to write in there unless it was a constant occurrence.
Uh-huh.
But again, this is just a document. Anyone could print this, but no smoking in a vehicle. Like these to me are obvious. No smoking in vehicles, garbage bags, like that is obvious. The urine bottle is less obvious. Like it's almost
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, this just brought me back to I was watching TikTok and it was about a delivery driver
Mhm.
and she just the start of the day and then the end of the day, the start of the day was just packed with parcels and she was just going through delivery and it was just nonstop. It was just kept going. So I kind of believe in this. This might be true.
This is all alleged.
Yeah.
Everything is alleged. We have no evidence in one direction or the other. But let me ask you something, Will. How bad is it to pee in a bottle?
How bad is it?
Yeah, on a scale of 1 to 10.
I mean, if you really got to go, I don't find it offensive. If you really got to go.
Wow.
Like if we're driving, you can't stop, and you really want to pee and there's a bottle right there, yeah.
You encourage.
Just turn away, though. I wouldn't encourage it.
Well, it sounds
You gotta go,
encouraging.
you gotta go.
I know, but I'm just
Right.
saying, like, everybody has also held their pee as well.
That's
you
not healthy.
you never held your pee before?
Well, I'm just saying naturally, that's not healthy.
You never held your pee before?
I did.
You did.
Yeah.
Everybody has. You know, you're traveling and everybody's been there as well. So I don't
Yeah.
know. I don't know about this protocol, but I'm just saying, like, figure this out because if you're Amazon, if this is real, let's say, you almost have enough volume in the average place to like set up a facility in a particular region where you could have a bathroom facility, or you could strike a deal with a local a local restaurant or something that like maybe not a local restaurant because you got so many drivers. But anyway, I don't know what the solution is. I'm just saying that it would be nice to figure it out.
Yeah. Imagine their solution was to just give everyone urine bottles.
Like that were
Like, here
better
you go.
better
Yeah.
designed and actually sanitary.
Yeah.
Or put yeah,
It's like, don't front. Just here you go.
it's a crazy thought.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's definitely frowned upon. All the bodily fluids frowned upon, and then if you're in the vehicle and there's a mishap, I mean, it could be a problem.
Yeah. It's
So
frowned upon, but it's natural. Right?
you're talking about body fluids?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're natural.
Yeah, exactly. It's just like, why is it frowned upon? It's just, oh,
Well, I don't know. There's smells and things associated,
sure.
and hygiene, and I don't know. There might even be shared vehicles, Will, and
Yeah.
like if they had to say clean out the van at the end of the route and pull your urine bottles out, that means that at some point somebody had come in the van and there's urine bottles.
Yeah.
At some
Uh-huh.
if this is to be believed.
Uh-huh.
You don't want that van, dude.
No.
What if you came into work and all of a sudden lined up along the desk over here just urine bottles?
Yeah.
You'd be like, yo, dude, get it together. Now, I realize I'm not in a delivery van, but I'm just saying, once you have the shared space thing, it kind of
Yeah. And the hand washing, how does that work?
steering wheels,
Yeah.
alcohol wipes, and
Sure.
I'm picturing Willie do the delivery guy. You got like a whole fanny pack full of your sanitizing.
I gotta.
You
I
are.
gotta.
Yeah, you are.